Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Safari. This is where safe browsing lives. Once in Safari, scan down to Privacy and Security. If screen time controls exist, make sure you know the passcode. Otherwise, some options may be locked. Tap Fraudulent Website Warning and note its current state. You're taking precise steps now because changing safe browsing affects site filtering and phishing protection. Make sure your iPhone is updated first. Then proceed to the next steps to change the protection level. Once there, you'll see Fraudulent Website Warning. Toggle it off to disable basic safe browsing checks. If you see additional options like warnings or third-party lists, review each and turn off the specific protections you don't want. You may be prompted for a screen time passcode. Enter it to apply changes. Take a moment to understand that turning these off reduces phishing and malware defenses. After adjusting, quit Settings and reopen Safari to confirm behavior changes before proceeding to finish by testing. Open Safari and try a site that was blocked earlier. If it loads, the change worked. If the toggle is grayed out, go to Screen Time or Profiles and Device Management. Corporate profiles can lock security settings. Make sure iOS is up to date, then restart your phone. If issues continue, reset network settings or temporarily remove the profile, then reapply desired preferences. One key troubleshooting tip: check screen time restrictions first. Most locked safe browsing problems stem from that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.